Hey, it's Nolan again with Deep in the Heart Outdoor Services. I hope that you enjoyed the first video on what to expect in our lighting design appointment. Today, we wanted to quickly discuss the installation and go over some frequently asked questions that people generally have for our meetings. Believe it or not, most of our installations can actually be completed in just one day. Although, of course, it depends on the size of the property and the number and location of the lights that are being installed. When we meet with you on the day of our appointment, we will be able to give you a more accurate length of the time that the installation will take. A lot of people get worried about us potentially messing up their beautiful landscaping, which is of course a valid concern. Well, there's good news. Because of all the lighting systems that we install are low voltage, we don't need to make big trenches in your yard. We use a flat landscape shovel just to split the ground slightly, allowing us to slide the wire down 4 to 6 inches with minimal disruption to the lawn and to your landscape. We also bury our wires strategically, meaning that we don't just take the shortest distance and run the wire. This means running extra wire to avoid a flower bed or a planting area. We do this to minimize any potential for a cut wire. There are a lot of great benefits to using low voltage wire when it comes to your installation. Not only does it make the installation seamless and smooth, it is safer to use around children and pets. It's also super cost effective. Now, when we design your new lighting system, each area will all be tied into a transformer that we provide. That transformer will be plugged into an outlet on the exterior of your home. If you don't already know where one is, or don't know if you have one, don't worry about it. We will make sure that we will find one or help you get one installed when we show up for our design appointment. Inside each of our transformers, we supply a digital timer that turns your lights on and off each night without you even thinking about it. The timers are astronomical, which means you don't have to adjust for daylight savings, even though we don't have daylight savings coming up, and they auto adjust on a daily basis. They also have a backup battery, which means you don't have to reset or program the lights every time the power goes out. We try to make our lighting systems as maintenance free as possible so that you can just enjoy your lights every single night. Okay, that's all for now. Be sure to check your email tomorrow for our last video where we will discuss our pricing and how to decide what's best for you and your home. Talk to you tomorrow and take care.